Hi everybody, it's Jim with RV with the Tanners, and today we're going to be replacing the level up controller in an RV. So we take a look at what happens with the current level up controller. When I go to power this on, you'll see that it comes on, but there's no display. So it makes it very difficult to go through the navigations, as you go through the menu options, if nothing appears. So we're going to take a couple minutes today and replace this LCI control panel so we get it working so it's easy to operate the trailer and level it. Alright, so here's the replacement controller itself, shipped from Lippert. You'll see that if you can open it up, a little bit hard here, pop it open. It's just the controller in the back. So when you do this, it's important to note that there's 4 screws here. That's how you're going to remove it if it's mounted in a situation like that. So don't try to just pull this whole thing out. It's actually screwed in. So you make sure you pop the control panel out, take the screws off, and then replace that. Alright, so we swapped out the control panel, we're ready to go, but I want to talk about one thing before we show you how to set the 0-point calibration. We removed the old panel that was holding it in. It seemed like it was just a little hard to snap in the new controller, so we just removed the old screws, put the new panel in. We wanted to just snap it in, the old one, but it seemed better just to remove it, so we did that. And then if you come in here, the last thing you're going to want to do is set the 0-point calibration. So make sure your trailer is level before you start this process. So when you get it installed, the next thing you want to do is tell the controller where 0 level is. That means that your trailer is absolutely 0. So when you put it back in and you're ready to go, make sure your control unit is off. You're going to hit the front button 10 times. And then the rear button 10 times. And then it will come to 0-point calibration. You hit enter to accept. It will go through a little bit of thinking, it will set it, and now you're done. We're successfully set the 0-point calibration. So that means the trailer knows where level is. The next time you hit auto level, it'll go perfect. So that's a wrap on this video. If you have any questions on how we did it, you can ask below in the comments. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button or the subscribe button. That would be very helpful. Again, thanks for watching, and this is Jim with RV with the Tanners.